So next one, additions of integers. Okay, so how to add integers on number line. Okay, additions of integers on number line. So how to add number line integers. Okay, now observe here. 4 plus 3, how much? 7. Observe this pattern. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 2, so this is 4 only fixed. 3 here to decrease it by 1. Okay, what is the answer? 6. Here also decrease it by 1. 4 plus 1, here decrease it by 1. Here also result decrease it by 1. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 0, here decrease it by 1. Here also decrease it by 1. 4. 4 plus minus 1, here also decrease it by 1. So here also decrease it by 1. 4 plus minus 2, here decrease it by 1, here also decrease it by 1. So 4 plus minus 3, so what is the result? 1. Okay, without the simplification this one, we get directly result here. Okay, why? Because here each value, so 1 unit is decreased by 1, so automatically result also decreased by 1. So if you take this one, positive numbers here, so add positive integer. If you add positive integer on number line, this is number line, I will try here. So this is number line here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 4 means 4 units. From start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units. Okay, first one is 4. So this is positive addition. Addition is positive. So add positive integer. 3 is a positive integer. Minus 1 is negative integer. Minus 2 is negative integer. Minus 3 is negative integer. 3, 2, 1 both are positive integer. If you add positive integer, now observe, if you add 3, so what is the result? 7. 7 is result. How to go 7? Moving right side or left side? So moving 3 units. Okay, 3 units to right side. Okay, so here add positive integer, 3 units to right side. 1, 2, 3. So we get 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Means if you add positive integer, move right side or left side? Right side. Okay, if you add positive integer, move right side. So what is see this next one, second one, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this is there. So first one is 4 units, start from 0, 4 units. Okay, add positive integer. If you add positive integer, move right side. So you have 6. So how to get 6? Compulsory we have to move right side. How many units? 1, 2 units. Here 2 is there. So that's right. If you add positive integer, compulsory move right side on number line. 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. If you add positive integer, move right side on the number line. Okay, now see this negative. So this is number line. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like that. Okay, so first one is 4 units, start from 0, 4 plus 4 is there, plus 4. So add negative integer. In previous, add positive integer. Add positive integer. If you add positive integer, move right side. If you add a negative integer, so your result is 3. How to get 3? So compulsory we have to move left side. Left side, how many units? 1 unit. Here 1 unit means add positive integer. Add negative integer. Compulsory we have to move left side. How to get 3 means we have to move left side only. If you move left side, then we get a result to 3. So that's why add negative integer, move left side. Odd positive integer, move right side. Add negative integer, move left side. So how to get 2 here in this problem? 4 plus of minus 2. 4 plus of minus 2 is equal to 2. So 4 plus of minus 2 means, so add a negative integer, move left side. How many units? 2 units. This is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. So what is the result? 2, 1. Result is 2. So if you add a negative integer, move left side. So how to get 2? See this here, 4. This 2 can be written as 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 only. So the combination of 4 and 2. So here how to get negative means plus into minus, plus into minus, minus. This result is equal to 4 minus 2. So combination of these two terms. So here two signs are there. One is plus, one is minus. Now simplify, then you get only one sign. What is this sign? Negative. How to get negative? Plus into minus, it becomes negative. So plus into minus is minus, like that only. Okay. Here positive integer means like this, plus into plus, plus only. Plus into plus, plus into minus, minus. So same like that, subtraction. So subtraction on integers. Subtraction of integers on number line. Okay. Now observe here. 6 minus 3, how much? 3. 6 minus 2. Sorry. 6 minus 2. 4. 6 minus 1. How much? 5. Yes, see this. This value is decreased by 1, but the result is increased by 1. Result is increased by 1. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 minus negative, minus 1. What is the result? 7. 6 minus of minus 2. What is the result? 8. Okay. So subtraction. So subtract to positive integer. These are positive integers. Subtract to positive integer. Here subtract to negative integer. So in addition, add positive integer, move right side. Subtraction, addition, add negative integer, move left side. Now here see this, observe. So this is number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 units. Start from 0, 6 units. So taken as 3 units. Okay. But right side or left side. Now the result is 3 only. So if you get 3 means compulsory we have to move left side. How many units? 1, 2, 3 units. Then you get this 3 only. Okay. Means subtract to positive integer, move left side. Subtract to positive integer, move left side. Okay. Add positive integer, move right side. Subtract to positive integer, move left side. Okay. Now observe this one. Subtract to negative integer. Subtract to positive integer, move left side. Subtract to negative integer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay. Now 6 units. Start from 0, 6 units. After that, what is the result? The result is 7. 7 means compulsory we have to move right side. How many units? 1 unit. Here 1 is there. 1 unit. So subtract to negative integer, move right side. Subtract to negative integer, move right side. Subtract to positive integer, move left side. Here, so how to get 7? 7 can be written as 6 plus 1, combination of both. 6 plus 1, 7. So here, minus into minus, it becomes plus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Okay. So I will explain 1 or 2 problems in this model. Now what is the formulas here? Minus into minus, it becomes plus. Plus into minus, minus. Interchange, minus into plus, minus. Plus into plus, plus only. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Plus into plus, plus. So simplify. So minus 7 plus of minus 8 minus of minus 25. So what is this result? Asking like that, this one. So now here simplify here, minus 7 plus into minus minus 8 minus into minus plus 25. Here minus 7 plus into minus minus into minus plus. Here now observe, both are negatives only. Minus 7, minus 8, both are negative terms. So that's why add negatives. Keep negative side. minus 15, both having same sign, so that's why add and keep negative. Plus 25, one is negative term, one is positive term, so we have to do subtraction. Same sign, then we add. Different sign, one is negative, one is positive, means we have to do subtraction. 25 minus 15, how much? 10. So big one having positive, so that's why this is plus 10. Plus 10, so answer is plus 10. One more problem. Minus 12 minus of minus 15 plus of minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so here directly given, first one is minus 12, minus into minus plus 15. So plus into minus, so first of all simplify sign. Okay, here two signs are there, so you have to simplify, convert into only one side. Plus into minus, minus 2, here minus 3. So now see this, observe, this is negative, this one negative, this one negative, so that's why add these three terms and keep negative sign. 12 plus 2, 14 plus 3, 17, minus 17, plus 15. So one is negative, one is positive, so we have to do subtraction. How much this value? 2, difference. So greater value having negative sign, so that's why keep minus. Okay, one more problem, one more. So one more problem I will explain. So minus 4 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 20 plus 25. So given like this, here minus 4 is there, plus into minus, minus 8, plus into minus, minus 8, plus into minus, minus 20, plus 25. So here first 4 terms are negative terms, all are negative only, total negative terms. Okay, so add both. 28, 36, 40, minus 40, plus 25. One is negative, one is positive, so we have to do subtraction. Subtraction means the difference is 15, so big number having negative, so that's why keep negative. Okay, so given like this model problems, you have to like this.